yourself.
And today you join me, Old Bald Cannoli, here outside the Solihull Rover factory. And I'm with Norman Buttler.
Hello.
Who hasn't worked for several years because he's been on strike. How are the strikes affecting you, Norman, and your family?
Very well, thank you. We've got more time to do things as a family, like decoupage and paint by numbers.
But how can you say this when you're not earning any money?
Oh, you don't need to buy numbers. They're just free. You just find them.
Well, there we are. And this is Norman, who has spent the maximum of 3 days working in the last 2 years. And when the days he was working, he forgot to put rust protection on the Triumph Dolomites.
You don't need them.
Why is that, Norman?
Because they're made from papier-mâché.
Well, there we are. Some insightful information from the Solihull Rover factory that is actually making Triumphs. So, what you want to do, Norman, is stop striking. You want to go home and rethink your life.
I want to go home and rethink my life.
You want to start building cars again.
I want to start building cars.
Now move along.
No.
Jedi mind tricks only work on the weak-minded, and it would seem that Norman Buttler is stubborn. Old Bald Cannoli, reporting from Solihull, back to the studio.